Okay, one of the programs we use, which is free, which I think that once you use it, you're going to love it and you're going to use it in every class and in college. It is an awesome tool. It's called Padlet. Some of you may have already used it. I just went to Padlet.com, but I believe also on my courses, when I have you do your assignment, the second week is your first Padlet about drugs. And yeah, there's a link here as well, so you can click on. There's a link. Boom. There you go. So I'll sign up just so you can see. Where is it? There it is. I'll sign up just so you can see what it looks like. So click on sign up. No. All right. And Sanford at Colonial. My work email. I will sign up. I can upgrade to the $29 a year one, but no thank you. Alright, I will just hit skip, and just like that, I'm in. That's all it takes, and you're using Padlet. So if I was creating a new Padlet, like that second week one of your assignments is to create a Padlet about drugs and alcohol. So I would click on new Padlet, and it's creating it right now. What it is it's like a digital poster board. I can do projects, I can post things to Facebook, I can put things on YouTube, I can do all kinds of stuff. And so your first assignment in here has to do with advocating, making like a poster board, digital poster board, about any one of the drugs or alcohol. You know, you can pick tobacco, cocaine, marijuana, alcohol, heroin, all of them. And you're posting on here. You put pictures on here, facts, and that kind of important data. So let's get started. Say I picked tobacco. Okay, so if I wanted to do a tobacco one, and say I wanted to put in some pictures, so I'll start out with some pictures. I'll show you what I can do. So you can go to Google and go to images, and I can hit tobacco, like so. There's tobacco. I can type in chewing tobacco. I can type in cigarettes. I can take this picture right here. Say I want this picture. Save image as in my pictures. I'll put sig, and when I go to my Padlet and I click on something, it says title, write something. I can do whatever I want here. I can it's my poster board basically, so I can take this poster and I can add in an image. Where's that? No, I clicked on the link. I can upload the file. So I go to my pictures and I find the cigarette one. There it is. There's a picture of a cigarette. I can make it my background. I can do all kinds of things. You come over here to this little modify palette. I can change my background setting. I can change the title. I can do all kinds of things. It's just all, you can do whatever you want with it. And if you spend $29 a year, you get even more options, more bells and whistles. So that was just a little picture of cigarettes, but I can also look up pictures of teeth decay, because that's one of the problems with smoking cigarettes. And bang, I can put some of these horrible pictures in my poster. Alright, show this to some young kids and tell them about the effects of smoking and drugs and that kind of stuff, and there you go. I can type in heroin. Okay, I don't know why that came up. I spelled that wrong. There, I spelled it wrong. And boom, and there's all these pictures. And forget about this is just images. And you don't want to just steal things. You want to claim them as yourself. I mean, everything that I would do if I clicked on something you make sure that you get where it was from. All right, so that way you can give them credit. All right, else that's plagiarism. So if I go back to the web, I can then I'll have pictures of whatever drug you're deciding on. In that case, I can come in here. I can type in 10 facts about heroin, and using the internet, doing research. I can copy and paste some of these. I can summarize these, and once I summarize all this stuff, I click on this and I save it, because that way at the end of my project I'll be able to put like a little works cited page together, and I'll know as your teacher where you got the information from. You got it from dosomething.org, facts about heroin, and there's the CDC, there's all different kinds of places you can go, drugabuse.gov. So basically you're going to be making these digital posters in week 2 on this awesome software that's free, and you'll be able to do this if you're a freshman, you can do this your sophomore, your junior year, senior, you can do it in college. Just take a photo. I can take something from myself. So let me just see here. Go back to my drug facts. We'll copy over here. Let's paste the URL in here. See what happens. And now, when somebody were to click on it, I can make it bigger. But there are your drug facts right there. My computer's running slow. So, this is Padlet. Awesome tool. You do a lot of amazing things on it. You can do the same thing with contraceptive, which would probably be in week 3 or 4 as I build the site and build the course. And once I have something, I will go to, you click on, I know it says share somewhere, right there, share and export. And I can share things on Twitter, on Facebook, show it to your friends. I can download it, make it into a PDF file, print it out, all this stuff is right here. And I can take this link, this is what you're going to do. You will take this link, and when it comes time to do your project, you'll sign in the course, and there will be a spot. You'll click on it, and you will paste your Padlet inside the course, whatever that ID number is, and your students and yourself can go on and say, I have 10 students, I should have 10 Padlets, 10 different drugs, 10 different kind of fact sheets, and you're basically advocating why not to do drugs. The same thing a lot of people do in regular health classes, but with posters and papers, you're going to be doing digitally, and you can share it with the world in an instant. And so that's Padlet. Have any questions? Email me. Any problems? Email me. It's free. Have fun. Be creative. And there you go.